In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Asana to Notion. By the end, you'll know 2 simple ways to bring your Asana tasks and projects into Notion using the native integration, so you can see the right details where your team works without juggling tabs. Before we start, have both Notion and Asana open in your browser or desktop apps. Identify the Asana item you want to reference. This can be a single task or an entire project. Copy its link from Asana so it's ready on your clipboard. Make sure you have permission to view that item in Asana. Notion can only show what your account is allowed to access. If it's your first time linking these tools, Notion may prompt you to allow access. Just follow the on-screen guidance. Let's begin with the fastest option, Paste as Preview. Open the Notion page where you want the Asana item to appear. Paste the Asana link directly into the page. A small prompt appears above the link. Click Paste as Preview. Notion instantly converts the link into a live, rich preview block. You'll typically see the task or project name, along with key properties such as status, assignee, and due date. This block stays in sync, so when details change in Asana, your Notion preview updates automatically. If you don't see the prompt, wait a second after pasting or try pasting again. You can drag the block to reposition it and add context around it. Perfect for meeting notes or project briefs that need quick, reliable references. Clicking the preview opens the item in Asana, which is ideal when you want to dive deeper or make edits. If you need more than a single card, use Paste as Database. This works best with project links. Copy the project link from Asana and paste it into Notion. When the prompt appears, choose Paste as Database. Notion creates a synced database that pulls in tasks from that project with their core properties, things like status, assignee, and due dates, so you can sort, filter, group, and switch views just like any other Notion database. This gives you an at-a-glance project board or list without manual copying. Most fields reflect Asana as the source of truth, so use Open in Asana when you want to make deeper edits. If something looks out of date, give the page a moment or refresh. Sync usually catches up quickly. If you see restricted items, that's likely due to permissions in Asana. Use previews for quick context and commentary, and databases for a broader, organized view of work. That's all you need to link Asana to Notion with the native options. Fast, clean, and reliable.